The man accused of killing Kelly Dwyer and hiding her body was in court for a preliminary hearing.
A detective was called to the stand and asked about all the witnesses prosecutors talked to build their case, a case defense attorneys have called circumstantial. Tom Dwyer has more from court.
The hearing here for Chris Sacco was scheduled to begin at 8:30 this morning, but he did not arrive here in court from prison until 2 hours later. However, his attorneys did not waive the preliminary hearing and testimony began. On the stand today, retired Milwaukee detective Catherine Spano, who worked in the department's cold case bureau and on the Kelly Dwyer case. She outlined the witness statements in the lengthy criminal complaint alleging Chris Sacco was sexually violent with former girlfriends.
The sexual acts became quite aggressive.
Defense attorneys objected, calling the statements irrelevant, noting the state does not have an official cause of death outlined in the charging documents.
I think it establishes a long-standing pattern of this type of conduct with defendant Sacco to almost make it a type of signature activity.
Prosecutors allege Dwyer died by suffocation during a violent sex act, something they say was normal for the two, evidenced in a video found on Sacco's phone.
You can definitely see that she's struggling to breathe.
Detectives say Dwyer was seen on surveillance video entering Sacco's apartment building but never leaving. In the days following, charging documents say he put her body in the trunk of his car and then dumped it in Jefferson County. Defense attorneys call the case entirely circumstantial.
Criminal complaints are not typically process of elimination documents and documents that ask people to make inferences from indirect evidence. Criminal complaints are usually direct evidence that a crime occurred and that somebody committed a crime.
The commissioner ordered that Chris Sacco be brought here to court the night before this preliminary hearing continues next Friday, June 2nd. In downtown, Tom Dwyer in today's TMJ4.
Now, at the end of the preliminary hearing, the court commissioner will decide if there is enough evidence to proceed to trial.